Welcome guys to Filmoments tutorials. In this video, I will show you this supercode app in which you can create and read a QR code in your device. So first, let's open our Play Store. Search for supercode, then tap on this blue icon, supercode app. After that, go ahead and download the app. So in my case, I already downloaded the app, so let's just tap to open. Inside the app, you have 4 options. Create QR code, create barcode, scan barcode, and scan QR code. Now let's try to create QR code. Simply tap on the Create QR code button. Input any text, so it could be any text or a link to a certain website. Let's just put the link of my channel. So it's youtube.com/c/filmmoments. Now tap on Generate QR code. So there you have it, generated QR code. So you can share it directly to Facebook, email, and other social media. If you want to save the image, tap on Create Note, then tap on the QR code image. Next, tap on the 3 dots icon in the upper right. Tap on Save as File, then choose Image File. Choose where you want the image to will be saved, and then let's just save it to Downloads. So the QR code image will be saved in your gallery. So that's it guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, ciao!